Ukraine's drone army has been responsible for taking out countless number of Russian armored vehicles. With thin armor and sometimes larger amount of ammunition inside, the vehicle becomes a ticking time bomb which can go off at any moment as situational awareness of the drones is poor. With most strikes ending in a damaged or destroyed vehicle, sometimes like here with a Russian soldier filming an offensive, with enough ammunition and a good strike can result in the vehicle exploding instantly as the warhead penetrates into the ammunition, completely destroying the system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.